Hey, good evening, guys. It's KB5 MIQ Big Boy. We got a little different video we're gonna do tonight. Hang on a minute. Come here, ham radio cat. Everybody hadn't seen you in a while. Come here, chunk. There she is. She ain't liking this new office much. She ain't got used to it yet, but she's around. Guys, it's coming into Christmas time of the year, and also means it's another time of the year. It's MTC mystery box time of the year. He's had these, I'm probably sold out. He had these on the website, I think, Thursday night, because I went up and got mine Friday, and for $29 a piece. Also, he had some mystery tubs for $99, big old totes full of stuff, but you had to pick them up in the store. They're too heavy to ship. So I don't know what was in those, but we're gonna see if we can see what's inside this $29 mystery box. Now, for anybody thinks that YouTubers are getting a special deal or a special box, I paid for this myself, which is fine. Went there and picked it up. I had it sitting there. Rich said, wait a minute, I want you to come back here. And he put the box they had for me in the stack of olives. Said, you pick out the one you want. That way, nobody can say that I'm sending special boxes to YouTubers. So, we're going to see what's in this thing and see what we come up with here. All right. Well, I can see right now it's going to be worth the $29. Here's an ICOM, HM 159 brand new SC speaker mic. Here's another ICOM HM 131 speaker mic. Alright. A ICOM desktop charger. AD94, brand new looks like. Another ICOM desktop charger, a BC146. And I don't have an ICOM handheld of any kind. All right, what do we got in this box that doesn't have any name on it? Let's see what's in it. We got a cigarette lighter adapter. All right, power with a cigarette lighter adapter on it. All right, let's set that over there. All right, got a bunch of cabling with speaker plugs, RCA plugs. About 4 of those. All right, it's well worth $29 so far. All right, solder sucker. Got a 330 to 380 megahertz antenna, old HT antenna. Another one. Like about 3-4 of these little stubby HT antennas. Got a Maldol 146 megahertz antenna. These all got SMA connectors on them. This is some kind of electrical coax pass-through some way. I've got one of these before, and I ain't never exactly figured out what they're for. Some kind of waterproof connector. Another solder sucker. A couple more of those connectors. About 3 more of them. Okay. Got a cool tactical pistol case. And gum. That'll work. Okay. Other cat, get out. Wow, this will work for my other hobby. Scripio Tactical a small pistol case. That's cool. I can always use them. Got another SMA, the SO239 adapter. Got a ICOM talkie case. Oh, you know what? 4-gauge battery terminal. Finn, buddy, you're gonna knock my microphone off. Get down, buddy. I have no idea what that is. Let me see if I can figure out what that is. Oh, that's a battery terminal. If you need to put on a battery, you're able to hook your wire straight to it. That's cool. I've never seen those before. Got 2 of them. In fact, I got a battery I'm gonna bring in my shack. I may use it for that. Got a another power adapter. All right, a Kenwood THD 72 thrifty mini manual. What is this one? A PowerWorks DB756 mini manual. And another one, an ICOM ID 4100 mini manual, nifty manual. Got a nifty easy add to PSK31 operation. We got an Aries ARRL emergency service t-shirt in a size small. One of y'all gonna end up with that because it won't fit me. It didn't come in Godzilla size. And a old school kids digital camera. Cat, you've got to get down off there. You're gonna knock my camera over, buddy. That's just the new cat. He don't know how to act in here. All right. And we got a professional J&B microphone. All right. Well, that's well worth of $29 to say the least, so that's great. Guys, MTC in Paris does great stuff for ham radio. They got tons of used gear all the time up there. Like I said before, if you need to sign up, get on his email list so you keep track of all the specials and coupon codes he puts out to order online with. If you live close enough, you can order online and take advantage of the coupon codes, but save the shipping. If it's over $100, it's free shipping. I like to go up there and just pick it up myself. That way I visit with them a little bit because I'm close enough to go up there. But they got some great deals going on up there. And if you got any need for a certain kind of used gear, just call up there and ask him, tell him what you're looking for. If he hadn't got it, he'll put you on the list. Something else I was going to say. I cannot remember what it was now. Guys, I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel. We're at 1756. I'll be giving some of that away here down the road as we get a little closer to 2,000 subscribers. Guys, hope everybody has a great holiday season and be safe, a good, safe holiday season. A lot of things going on in the world right now. I want everybody just to be safe and enjoy the holidays with your family. This is KB5 MIQ Big Boy 73.